Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to build a scavenger hunt app. In this app, you will be shown a clue. The user will have to write in an answer based on the clue, and if the user gets the correct answer, the app will give you a second clue. Let's begin. Drag and drop a button component and change the name to submit. This is what the user will click when they want to submit their answer. Next, drag and drop two labels. Okay. For label 1, let's give the instructions. And for the second label, type in what the clue is. Let's also add a text input. This is where the user will enter in the answers. And let's change the background color of the screen. Now, let's add a second screen. So just click this button. And let's drag and drop a button and two labels. Same thing. So, for the third label, the instructions. And the only thing that's different is that the fourth label will have the second clue. Now let's add a text input. And change the background color of the screen. Okay. Now let's go to the blocks. Click on screen 1 and go to the button 1 drawer and drag and drop one button, one click do. The next thing you want to do is go to the control and drag and drop if do. What this basically means is that when the user submits their answer, if the answer is correct, then the second clue will be given. So let's do that. Go to the logic and drag and drop this equal block. So it's going to compare the text from the user with the correct answer that we give. So let's get the text from the user. Just go to text input 1 and get from text input get text and attach it right here. For the equal, go to text, grab an empty box, and type in the correct answer. Now there's multiple things you want the app to do when the user gets the correct answer. The first thing is that you want the users to know if they got the answer correct or not. So you want to notify them. So to do that, grab and drop from label 1, set text to, and change this to correct. The next thing I want to do is change the background color. I want it to turn green. So to do that, go to screen 1 and drag and drop from screen 1 set background color, attach it right here. And I want this color to be green, so I go to color and grab and drop the green box and attach it right here. I also want the app to go to the second clue, so it has to go to the second screen because that's where the second clue is. So I go to Control and navigate to screen 1 and click on the click on the scroll menu here and click screen 2. And now that's what happens if the user gets the correct answer. Now what happens if they get it wrong? To code that, click on the star and drag and drop the else right underneath the if. This is what will happen if they don't get the correct answer. So first, I want the app to notify the users that they got the wrong answer. So, duplicate that. Oops. And say incorrect. Next, I want it to turn red. I want the background of the screen to turn red. So duplicate that, then go to color and click on the red one. Oops. And that's it. So let's code the second screen. It's basically the same thing. So go to button 1, button 2, and click on Control and the if do. If they get the answer correct, so go to text input 2, from text input get text. Oops, sorry, go to logic first. From text input get text and equal to the text. Type in the correct answer. And you want the label to say correct on it. So from label 3, set text and set this to correct. And you also want the background of the screen to change green. So go to screen 2 and get from screen 2 set background color and go to color and get the green one. Now you don't have to add the navigate one because that's it. If they get the second clue correct, they're done. So let's add an else if they didn't get it correct. And let's notify them that it's incorrect. And let's set the background to red. And that's it. Congratulations, you just created your 5th app.